Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to make this Ukrainian Modern War T-80 BVM bunny. The design of this one is made by NE Warbricks. He designed it, and he was so generous to give the design to my channel so I could show you guys how to do it. You might have noticed I normally don't do modern war stuff, but I really like this one, so I really wanted to do this specific model because I enjoyed it so much looking at it. It was really cool, and I just wanted in my own collection. And then he offered me to do a tutorial, and I thought, why not? Let's make you all join the fun in this little modern tank. Yeah, I really enjoyed building it, so I thought, let's do this. And yeah, like I said, NE Warbricks, you can find him on Instagram. Search for this profile picture, and he's a lot of nice stuff from the micro brick battle. I'll put the link in the description to this profile so you can see it too. He donated the design to my channel, and I think he based it on, let me show you if I can do this with one. Yes, he based it on this one. Brickmania did a minifigure scale bunny, captured Russian tank. And yeah, now we have a micro scale too. And since it is a captured Russian tank, I also modified the design a little bit to make it look Russian too. Not quite sure if I'm going to do a tutorial on that one. It feels a little bit ethical discussion in my own head is going on from should I do this kind of thing, because currently at this moment that I put out this video, this war is still going on, and people are dying because of that, and we are making fun having Lego models of it. It's feeling a little bit awkward. If you have an opinion on that, leave that in the comments. I really would like to hear if you guys how you guys think about that, and let me know if you want to make a tutorial, have a tutorial on this Russian version that I make a little modifications on this one. It's only actually the front fenders, and there's a I think a gasoline tank or a barrel or something kind on the back, and of course the flag is different. But if you want to see a full tutorial, let it know in the comments too. For now, I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds all the parts needed for this one. As you can probably see here, you need brick arms monopods. That's the only thing non-Lego you need. And yeah, for all the rest, I make sure that it is modified so all the parts are easily to get. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, parts list in a second, then step-by-step tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, leave a comment on what you think about modern actual war going on models. If it's ethical to do these videos, but also if it's ethical to yeah, let's say have some more of these and have a game of micro brick battle with my kids. Is that okay, or is it weird if I do so? Please leave a comment, give a thumbs up if you like this video, go follow NE Warbricks, and of course subscribe to my channel if you want to see more World War II and military micro skill tanks, and maybe in the future some more minifig skills, but due to lack of time that's a bit hard for me to do right now. But sure, there will be more micro brick battles, so subscribe. Part list coming up.